Adding a kit. MaxxTraxx has a built-in feature that allows you to group labor operations and parts together into kits. These kits can be added to a repair order or quote all at once instead of line by line, which saves a great amount of time. It also provides consistent pricing and profit for common jobs that your shop does. To view, edit, or add a kit, go to the Manager drop-down, then click on the Kits button. This opens the Kit Manager window. From here you can search for or view existing kits by either the range of vehicles they were built for, generic kits for all vehicles, or the list of all kits. The default view is all kits. To search for a kit by name, just start typing, and the letters will appear in the progressive search box with the results listed below. The generic kits search functions the same way. To search for a specific kit for a range of vehicles, click on the radio button next to Kits for a Range of Vehicles and use the search criteria boxes at the top of the window to find your results. Adding a new kit is similar to adding labor and parts to a repair order. Click on the Add button near the lower left of the window. Select the type of kit to be created. For this example, we will add a generic air conditioning service kit to be used on any vehicle. The kit name is used to search for the kit, so it should be easy to remember and reflect the type of work to be done. For this kit, I'll call it AC SERV. The description will not print on the customer's invoice, so write something there for your own use. Then select a category from the drop-down list. In this case, it'll be HVAC. Here is where you choose to default the kit to the labor and parts prices saved when you created the kit, or the actual price from your current listing and inventory. You will also be given this option when adding the kit to a repair order. The reason for this option is kit prices are not automatically adjusted when the labor or parts prices are changed. Updating the kit prices is done separately in the Manager dropdown. If you want the kit not even to be manually updated, check this box. The next step is to add a labor operation. Much like a repair order, click on the Add Labor button near the lower left of the window, then select one of the listed options. For this video, we'll pick a labor from the service list. This will open the labor search window. Search for or scroll to the desired labor operation, then highlight it and click the Select button. Since this is an AC service kit, we'll choose the AC service labor operation. Review the detail information screen and click OK when you're done, which will take us back to the kit window. From here, we can add another labor operation if desired. Notice that just like a repair order, we have to highlight the labor line to be able to add parts. In this example, we'll add parts from our parts list. We're going to add refrigerant to the repair order, but set the quantity to 0, as we don't know how much we will use yet. Next, we'll add 2 AC service valves. When adding multiple parts to a kit or a repair order, remember to use the Add Another Part button to save steps. And finally, we'll add some system die to the kit. Click the Save button when you are done reviewing the kit and the prices. You can now find the kit in the Generic Kits section. You can make any edits to the kit by clicking on the Edit button with the kit highlighted. To add the kit to a repair order, open the RO and click on the Kits button. Adding a kit to a quote is virtually the same. Find and select the kit you want to use, then click the Select button. You'll have the option of adding the kit as labor and parts, a vehicle problem, a request for service, or a free-form note. Choose whether you want the saved kit price or the actual current labor or parts prices. Since we just created this kit, the prices will be the same in this example. This is not always the case. Then select which labor and parts you want to be transferred to the repair order. Click OK when you're done. The kit has now been added to the repair order. Another way to add a kit is from a repair order or quote. Occasionally you'll have a reason for service and associated labor and parts that you'll want to save as a kit, especially if it is a common job for your shop. Rather than taking the time to recreate the labor and parts each time the job comes in, save it as a kit. Once you have created the complete job in the repair order, simply right-click on the reason for service line. Find the Save As Kit line and click on that. This will open the same window to create a kit that you saw before. For this kit, we will create a kit for a range of vehicles. Click Next. Select the vehicle year information that will be applicable to this kit, then click Finish. From the kit window, you can edit the name and description, labor and parts, and select a category for the new kit. After reviewing, click the Save button. You can now view the kit in the Kit Manager window. Remember that kits can be edited or deleted using the buttons at the bottom of the window. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.